back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to display file extension in Windows 11. Easy, help you identify files easy and avoid opening unsafe files. So let's get started. Firstly open File Explorer, then open the folder where your all files located. Now click on the view menu, then go to show. Here you will see file name extension. Tap to enable it. Now you will see all of your files with extensions like .png, .jpg, .webp. And that's how you can show file extension in Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Windows tips. Thanks for watching.